মই যদি ইমান অনগল যদি ভাবি থাকোঁ নহয় এডুকেশ্যন ইজ মোৰ ইম্পৰ্টেণ্ট মানে পঢ়া শুনাটো হৈ গ'লে নহয় নিজে বুজি যায় বাচ্চাই কি কৰিব লাগে লাইফত that's about it who has trans children stop referring them as trans children let them grow up they are babies they will grow up let them educate themselves so much support in that let them grow up in a normal way so as they would grow up to be somebody very strong and can do big things in life like iman juri that's my personal opinion no offense to anybody I myself I am a trans person so মই যদি ইমান অনগল যদি ভাবি থাকোঁ নহয় এডুকেশ্যন ইজ মোৰ ইম্পৰ্টেণ্ট মানে পঢ়া শুনাটো হৈ গ'লে নহয় নিজে বুজি যায় বাচ্চাই কি কৰিব লাগে লাইফত that's about it
तुमको इंग्लिश में करना है if you want to do it in English go anywhere in the world why Germany right if you are in Germany then you have to do your dissertation in Germany so with due respect মই অসমত আছোঁ মই পুৰা অসমীয়া কাপোৰ পিন্ধি আহিছোঁ মই অসমীয়াত কম specifically অসমীয়া and Hindi sorry ma'am but I want to reach out to my dear sister over there I really need your attention because আমি ইয়াত আছোঁ because there's lawyers there's doctors there's social workers there's engineers আমি পঢ়িছোঁ so I really wanted to emphasize that তোমালোকে পঢ়িব লাগিব খালি নপঢ়াকৈ makeup artist হৈ থাকিলে নহ'ব you have to come up নহ'লে তোমালোকে question এটা answer দিব নোৱাৰা right আমি তোমালোকক representative কৰোঁ আমার লাজ লাগে right I want you to be educated যে কৰা মেকআপ কৰা যদি excellent মেকআপ কৰা dance কৰা যদি excellent dance কৰা be proud of your culture মই এইটো কমেণ্ট তোমালোকক খালি dance কৰি থাকিলে নহয় right beauty present কৰিছোঁ আমি কিন্তু আমাৰ মানুহ কেলে নাথাকে আমাৰ ডক্টৰ হ'ব লাগে I am very proud of you right I want more anchors over here transgender anchors
since last previous panel that the participants who beautifully participated yesterday being model has less concentration because मुझे जहाँ तक लगता है कि उन लोगों को इंग्लिश उतना अच्छे से समझ नहीं आती है तो वो ध्यान भी नहीं देगा
47 में भारत आज़ाद होने के बाद जो एक नॉर्मल लड़के और लड़की के हिसाब से जो भी डेमोक्रेटिक अधिकार आपको दिए गए हमें वो मिला ही नहीं और हमें मिला कब 2014 में नालसा जजमेंट के माध्यम से जब पहली बार जस्टिस के.एस. राधाकृष्णन जी ने कहा कि दिस इज वन ऑफ द डेरोगेटरी लॉ और इसको असंवैधानिक करार दे दिया गया
तो मैं इटू को पूछूं बिफोर आंसरिंग योर क्वेश्चन की चेंज होइसे we had the 11 queer pride day for yesterday Sunday all right we had 11 queer pride I proudly can say that I'm one of the organizers of the first queer pride in Northeast in February 9 2014 right it's a manual right
there in the Bombay High Court and I got the first landmark judgment on gender reassignment surgery then in between what I felt is the need of education, higher education. Then I came back to Guwahati. I completed my BCom honors, parallelly CS, company secretary. Then I did my LLB from Guwahati University and finally got an opportunity to do my LLM from Harvard University. So I did my LLM from Harvard and after that postgraduate diploma in the cybercrime, postgraduate diploma in human rights.
Sure, my parents are not going to resist me from doing my transition. So I was very confident and I gave my examination, I was selected and I got admitted in the Guwahati Medical College and Hospital. So it was just a very beautiful journey for me so far. But there are some, like right now if I am sitting here like in front of all these dignitaries, they have just presented themselves so well. Like in front of them I am nothing, I believe. But at the same time, Palash Dada and Tik Tik Ba, they have just done so much of thing for me. Like Palash Dada has been walking from a hostel thing like since the last 1 year and it's been so good like to be a part of their family. Like East Town Northeast 2023, they have done like absolutely amazing job. And what I want to share, like in this year, June, they have sent me to an workshop that was organized by GCTF, Global Coalition for TB Advocacy, and it was all about TB advocacy, like the raising population of TB patients, how they are dealing with it, and what are the status of the awareness among the communities. There would be target communities as well, or the general population for that matter. And like in that particular workshop, I was selected as the steering member from the Northeast, like to represent the Northeast on a national platform.
The department is just newly created 2 years back, 2022 June. Earlier it was under the Social Welfare Department, which is bifurcated into Women and Child Development and Social Justice and Empowerment. So as a department or a director, I'm also the deputy secretary of the department as well as the joint director. So as a department, we are quite new, just a baby born, which is 2 years old, you can say. A lot of manpower issues are there that would not, of course, be an excuse for not getting things on time.
जो इतना अच्छा एक बातचीत का मतलब पैनल में मुझे शामिल किया, और मैं त्रिपुरा में 2011 से एक्टिविस्ट हूँ और खुल के सामने आई हूँ 2020 में, और वहाँ का जो ट्रांसजेंडर वेलफेयर बोर्ड बना वो 2023 में 22 में बना, और मैं उसमें मेंबर हूँ। वहाँ का जो भी ट्रांस कार्ड वगैरह का है, मैंने वहाँ पर शुरुआत में जब बनता है ना कोई चीज़, वहाँ नींव इतना शक्तिशाली डाल दो तो वो बिल्डिंग ऐसे ही शक्तिशाली होगा। नींव जितना अच्छा, बिल्डिंग भी उतना ही अच्छा होगा। तो नींव में ही मैंने ऐसा डाल दिया कि वहाँ पर 15 दिन, 1 महीने के अंदर 30 दिन के अंदर ट्रांस कार्ड हो जाता है। बाकी रिवर्स कार्ड के लिए मैंने बताया 15 डेज में हो जाना चाहिए।
We started Miss Trans NEC in 2022. Lot of Boro trans women coming and participating, and then we had Boro trans men coming in. Does actually the government have a census on how many transgender persons are there in the state? Because you are also surprised. So do you really have a census, or do you plan to do some initiatives to count the census and then provide them with schemes further?
I'll just हिंदी में मैं बात करती हूँ so that everyone is comfortable. ये सेंसस अभी तक हुआ नहीं है। 2.5 सालों से मैं इस गवर्नमेंट के साथ हूँ, और मुझे लगता है ये सेंसस होना बहुत ज़रूरी है, और गवर्नमेंट के लिए ये नया है, चूँकि मैडम ने बताया 2 साल सोशल जस्टिस एंड एम्पावरमेंट स्टेट में हुआ है, सो वी कम अंडर द परव्यू ऑफ स्टेट गवर्नमेंट, तो हमारे लिए भी ये बहुत ही नया है। और यस, ये सेंसस करने में गवर्नमेंट को आप सबकी मदद बहुत ज़्यादा चाहिए होगी, बिकॉज इसमें आप लोग बहुत ज़्यादा आगे बढ़ चुके हैं। तो हमें लगता है कि ये फॉर्मेट से लेके जो भी तैयारी करनी पड़ेगी, हमें आप सबसे बहुत ज़्यादा जानकारी हमें लेनी पड़ेगी।
I think there's a story which I want to tell you. So first of all, we are doctors here. We started with the sensitization topic. I mean, we are here to learn, to be very frank. We are not here to teach anybody. हम किसी को सिखाने नहीं आए, एक्चुअली हम सीखने आए कि क्या है जो हमें सीखना है। So as I was saying कि मेडिकल करिकुलम तो बनेगा, क्योंकि हम अभी अपने पढ़े हुए 15-20 साल हो गए। So let's learn. I mean, don't wait for the guidance document or the books to be released.
Time हमें आया था sensitization program, like everybody is saying sensitive. The first step is to make people aware जे अपना लोगों rights আছে, अपना लोगों like any other individual you are as per with you are a citizen. So हेतु কৰিব কাৰণে আমি এটা চেষ্টা কৰিছিলোঁ multi departmental stakeholders, home, education, health and the Aadhaar people which is under GAD. So তেওঁলোকক আমি মাতিছিলোঁ. So just a suggestion to take Palash and all the organizers that next যেতিয়া conclave to হ'ব বা any platform that you organize, please bring those people also into the scene so that policy decision তেতিয়াহে হ'ব। কাৰণ এতিয়া বহুত মানুহে নাজানে, আমি যেতিয়া কৰিছিলোঁ home department, police, DSP level, we organized a stakeholders meeting sensitization program where DSP level officers had come. They were telling আমি তো নাজানিছিলোঁ, we did not know that transgender is a is something which we need to know. Transgender is equivalent to hijrat, and koi sile. They do not know that transgender is a totally different idea, a gender issue which is in the society. So, apna loge jodi the sob manuwa mate atli specifically home, health, education, and panchayat and rural policy decisions will be in a streamlined manner.